Mabuhay everyone, I am Jacob E. Flores, B is HM1. Welcome to my video. On flag of model of tourism behavior. Let's talk about the three components of tourism behavior. Number one, allocentric. Allocentric travelers are adventurous, outgoing, and self-confident. They seek new experience and prefer to explore unusual destinations and cultures. They enjoy independence and are not found of structured itineraries. Number two, psychocentric. Psychocentric tourism are less adventurous and prefer familiar destinations where they can relax. They often to return to places where they to know that to expect in terms of food and activities. They favor typical accommodation and family style restaurant. 3. Mid-centric. Mid-centric as those who fall between allocentric and psychocentric types of categories. Flag model suggests that a destination popularity changes over time, attracting different types of tourists as it evolves.